Yeah. Yeah, I show the world how the Rasta can cook. Yeah. This is Steve. Nothing wrong with that. Wagwan family. Yeah. Yeah, I show the world how the Rasta can cook. Yeah. This is Steve. Nothing wrong with that. Alright. Yes, Steve said show the world how the Rasta can cook. So yes, family, it's a man hold the fire 777 back at it again. It's another one in the kitchen with it tonight. So tonight, so I cook some flour, but I put some pumpkin in the flour. So it's more like a pumpkin dumpling thing. And I have some tomato, ear and hot pepper and okra, little bit of okra. And I have a baked bean and yeah, I'm cucumber. I don't deal with my cucumber differently. I have a piece of yam, piece of Jamaican nigger yam. Yeah, so and some saltfish. I cook up with that. You see saltfish in the pot here. So turn on the stove. Like you go on. Just go on simmer, you know. Get the fire ready up and ready. Get the fire ready up. Yes, I get the fire ready up. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. And if it's the first time you come across my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, that is it. So support the movement. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, and TikTok. All of Fire 777 TV. That is it. So just stick and stay and watch what I go on in the kitchen tonight. And I say, yeah, mad thing. Just a little quick cook up. Yeah, just a little quick cook up and I deal with. So stick and stay. No go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Just stick and stay. Watch the video till the end. Yes. Stick and stay. Yeah, so I'll get the pumpkin ready. Yeah. Yeah, get some water now on dish here. So I can peel the pumpkin and grate, and I just grate the pumpkin and the flour. Yeah. So I get the pumpkin ready up. You know what I say? Yeah. That is it. So I was gonna say, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Yeah, so thank you for supporting the thing. Thank you all for supporting movement. Get me I say? Yeah. Yeah, so peel the pumpkin, grate it. Not this so. Yeah, with pumpkin now. So you have to put pumpkin in the flour. You don't need no water. So you know pumpkin contain a lot of water. Yeah. Pumpkin contain lots of water. So I put a little cornmeal in the flour same way. I'm gonna have some whole wheat and I put some of the whole wheat in it because he's a guy I like the thing mixed up, you know. I like to experiment. Get me I say? I mean not really a chef. I'm not really a chef, I'm a food scientist. Yeah, so you know, get it ready. I want to let get on the road today. I want me eat. I don't remember me eat. But I know I eat something substantial because I'm not really a road food person. I like my home cooked meal. You see me? So just couldn't wait to come home, come cook. But if I know I'm reach home, long time get a bath. And you know you have to love what I do. Somebody there watch YouTube, watch some African brothers and sisters them. Yeah. Watch them vlog. Come here to support them. Yeah. So the pumpkin here, yeah, it's not a whole heap, so I guess we have to use a little bit of water. It's not a whole lot, so I gotta use a little bit of water. Yeah. So I wonder why I use my hands so fast. Means I use, so I cook fast, I do everything fast. I work fast, I cook fast. Especially like when I'm hungry now, extremely hungry. Yeah, so deal with some saltfish and baked bean. Tonight, dumpling, pumpkin dumpling, and piece of nigger yam. Piece of yam I come from Jamaica. I get a supermarket here. Jamaica can get yam in it. Jamaican yam in the supermarket. Real Jamaican yam. Yeah. Yeah, so I knead up the flour, you know? You see me? Yeah. I like the color we have already. But you know, the pot they go boil up fast because guess what? It's a 3 saltfish in a pot. Yeah, for salt, it make the pot boil up fast. So because the saltfish me I cook, I put the saltfish in the pot first, the saltfish go and boil. So in that case, I use no salt in the flour. No more salt now going in beside the saltfish. So the flour and the dumpling and the yam will absorb that salt that is already in the pot from the saltfish. So no need to put no more salt tonight. So of course we soak the saltfish same way, but you know saltfish, so all that salt not really come out of it. Yeah, so dumpling right there now. Dumpling are tight. Yeah, tight, you know. And if it's too soft, but it trust me, extra tight. You can't put too much water on it neither. Yes, here we go. Soft. Yeah. Some like it. Some like it. Yeah. Just make you go and brace yourself. And cover it up. Oh, I'm showing them so I look. So I look there. So I look. Yeah. That's my pumpkin dumpling. And cover it up. And check the pot now. See if it boil up yet. If it boil up yet. See me tell you? Almost a boil up already. So right away you can put in the flour then. As I say, no itching. Just a deal with the thing quick and fast. I'm gonna buy one new stand now, so much easier to deal with. Much easier to deal with. Much easier. I'm saying I'm saying everything now, I miss nothing here. Yeah, much easier to deal with. Just buy one stand. Just me on Amazon. It was like how much I paid for it? About $26. And trust me, $26 they worth it. Means say $26. Really, very reasonable. Couldn't get one stand at in a Cayman for the price though. That'd be more expensive. Yeah, can buy one liquor one in a Jamaica in a Cayman already. And it costs about $75. Yeah, but that one yeah, I like that one Charles. Yeah, so I need the flour. Yeah, you see? Yeah, I need the flour. Let me zoom in for them, so I see what I go on. Let me zoom in, because I'm too far. Let me zoom in, and see what I go on. Let me see what I go along with. Zoom all the way in. You can see what I go on and what I go on. Yeah. See what I go on and what I go on. Yeah. So, you see now? Yeah. See? So we need dumpling. Everybody need dumpling different. When you use the finger here, big finger, the big finger bend, and the flour, the dumpling, take a shape, round shape, then you sink finger in it and go around like this. And this is my dumpling with a hole in the middle. So mommy used to make it. Big up mommy. Yeah, my mother me grow with. So just deal with it quick and fast. You know, some people say they roll and press. So they roll and then do it like that. But no, I use my finger. So big finger, as I say, use it, see the big finger, bend it, big finger like that, and you give it a round shape. You move your hand in a circular motion and then, you know, give it a round shape. You know, sink your big finger like that and continue like this. Yes, you get that shape. So big up yourself, mommy. Yes, in Jamaica, when you grow with your mother, you have to learn to cook. Not just a female and learn to cook, the male and learn to cook too. You know, Jamaican man, they must like this. Cook them and chef them and, you know, food scientist them. Like myself, food scientist. As we say, he's not a chef, he's a food scientist. Yes, big belly man. Big. Eh? You're not going night? Yes, so you don't know. It's a rented apartment, so all for Jamaican live here. Yeah. At least tonight I have the kitchen to myself. Yeah. See there. So you see me I tell you, so by the time I start put the flour, the dumpling them in the pot. Pot start boil up already. And you know say a yam, so the yam they're not really soft yam, so the yam they can put in the pot same time. Because it now go mash out. Yes, I'm going to Jamaica in December. I get a piece of yam, then I tell you yam soft and nice. Real Jamaican soft yam. Mash it up with some ackee and saltfish, I tell you. No more that eat piece of the yam right now. Yeah, so on the fight the near. Just wash my hands same time. Yeah. Wash out the flour fight. I'm gonna cut the yam and I feel the yam catch me hand already. I'm gonna cut off piece, a bigger piece, I'm not gonna buy. So me alone I cook for. Never buy a bigger piece. I never need to cook the big piece, I should say. So I'm gonna cut off piece off of it. Yes. Some more fast, quick and fast. Especially because I'm hungry, extremely hungry. And say, I'm hungry. Real hungry. Yes, so I like cook like that. Wash up my pot, plate them same time. So by the time I done cook, I have no dirty plate, but I'm gonna use back this just gonna put the saltfish in it. When the saltfish come out of the pot, they go on. The saltfish go on soak out. So the saltfish go hot and I go on clean it up same time too. Yeah. So I stir the pot. I see what I go on in the pot. Stir the pot, I see what I go on in the pot. Yeah, so pumpkin dumpling in there. Yeah, and it's a local pumpkin too, you know. It's pumpkin extra yellow. You see saltfish here. Yeah, good piece of saltfish. I have some saltfish here, good while now. I never use none. Really. Yes, so stick and stay, folks. As me go, come here, do peel a yam here and put in the pot. So don't go nowhere. Stick and stay. So yes, peeps, I just go and deal with the tomato and onion and everything. Cut up the season same time. Now waste no time. Me I cut up everything same time. Yeah. So we can done cook quick and go eat, cause like after 8 I go to 9 now. I'm gonna eat so late. Make your belly big. I don't want a big belly. I don't want a big belly. Yeah. So I'm gonna get some purple onion. Some purple onion. Yeah. Some purple onion, folks. Some purple onion. Remember what I said about the onion, but I like it. I don't like the color. I like it. Yes, folks, I like the onion. And then some hot pepper. But the pepper is not too hot still. Pepper here that's big. The pepper here that's big. Big and not hot. And I use some of my seed tonight. That's big and not hot. The pepper they ever hot, I couldn't ever put this so much tonight. I'm gonna have half of one real hot one. I'm keep putting in the freezer. So I use that one, yeah. The one I will give it a buzz. Next thing I have a sea pepper, yeah. Sea pepper is a local one. Because I look a bit the imported one them. And I supermarket them big and ugly. And not them really so nice. But they wanna like they wanna local. You know, I love buy local. Not too big imported things with all the chemical. I don't even know what kind of chemical them I put on them. So I work with that one here. I work with that one, peeps. So Steve, you not cook tonight? You not cook tonight? Yeah. Oh, you wait till 3 o'clock tonight? Yeah. Yeah. Steve and the man get up late. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning and cook, you know? Yeah. Steve is not really a Cayman, but a Bahamian. He come from Bahamas, so you know, as a child. You know, so more like a Cayman, but I make you know, say, Bahamas didn't come from Steve still, but in cool still. I'm the elder here, you know? Yeah, I live on the block, see me too. But in cool. Yeah, so the cucumber here, you know, I eat the cucumber in the night here, see me too. So I cut up it separate. Didn't peel off the whole of the skin off it. Yeah. I love cucumber. I think I have big salad in the fridge. Come to it. I think I use it already. Yeah. So I cut up this one here. Okay. And it's a local cucumber too, not imported. This is local. So now I'm gonna put in the okra them in the pot. See, a little bit of okra, or a little bit. Put in a pot still, so slime and drain from it. Yeah. I'm gonna do it that far. I'm turn on the stove because I hate when it boil over. Trust me, I don't like it when it boil over on the stove. Give me too much work. Yes, so this pretty. The sweet pepper and me purple onion, and hot pepper and tomato. Yeah. So stick and stay. Not go nowhere, eh?
Then, like when you want to make it, right? And you want it to
and if rotate. Yeah, so I'm show Steve of rotating phone. Oh, see there? I think this, the sign here? Yeah. See the pan blue now? Alright. See, when the pan blue, you can rotate. So I rotate now. See? Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah. I can know illa then to know. They have phone but then to know the feature them to that. They want the phone to rotate the video and I watch it. To stay what you call it, landscape mode. Landscape? Yeah, I do that. So I'm gonna start with the saltfish now. To the pot. Yeah. Start with the saltfish to the pot now. And put in some water. I kick the phone and they kick the foot of the thing there. Mash up it to box cover. Take out the saltfish and put in some water now. Go on. I'm gonna saltfish here. I'm cooking now. Because it's going to be pot long before everything else. Yeah. So you put in the water and some cold water so it's cool. So shall break up. Oh, yeah. All like this, supposed to be all like this. Never like when the saltfish break up. Should be all of it, let me see. Yeah. So stick and stay till me fry up the saltfish. See, almost done cook already, you know. Yeah, stick and stay. So yes, babes. I'll put on the seasoning now. I remember from the stove. Trying to burn it for that. Yeah, so try the pot dry. We'll put in a little bit of oil in it. Yeah, so look over here, so look what I go on in this. Yeah. See? The dumpling them put on them life jacket, that means they were them almost cook. Yeah. Them almost cook. So look at the oil in the pot. Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of iron on the pot. Yeah. See? So yeah, cook already. Whoa. And you don't play them about 3 more minutes. By the time I don't cook up this one, it's turn off for you. That's how it is. Dumpling, it take no time to cook. I can't tell how much minutes still it take to cook. I cannot tell you how much minutes dumpling take to cook. Still. Oh, this is a beef, so. Drop on me. Yeah, I can't tell you how long dumpling take to cook. I never time it yet. Time I just say, well then, it must cook now. I'm turning off the stove. Yeah. So, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Yeah. Don't go nowhere. Show you how I go on my pot. So, I love the stand here, see? Yeah. Stand here is very good. Very good. Yeah. See what I go on my pot there. Yeah. Oh, in the season now. If I smell that, I'm saying not hot. No, it's already. Let's hope it's not too hot. One. I'm putting on the stove now. Now, yeah, I can do that now. cut them off now. Quite nice, okay. Quite nice. All natural. Look me. Look at that. Just zoom in like that. Look at that, man. Look there. Zoom in like that, look there. Look at that. Beautiful, don't it? So nice. Yeah, very nice. That's all. Yeah, so put in the saltfish now. I scoop just a little piece of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little piece. Smells so hot. And then I roll the entire thing. Because that would be very bad. If you cook the food and can't eat it, that's what about. If I cook the food and can't eat it, that is too hot. I'm going to get my egg peel away with it, so like now put up gas. I'm coming a long time and I'm just sit down there look on YouTube. And one time I watch a video on, you know, some of the YouTubers, especially one root from Africa, I'm Mara. Yeah, from Kenya. Like listening. The man talking, speak with wisdom, you know? Yeah. Speak up yourself, Mara. I'm Mara out of Kenya. And my sister, Dimonga. And my mother. Congrats, mom, and my brother. My little brother named David Jr. Yeah, and one little youth named Mayubno. And one other one named Nasto. Yeah, all of them. Speak up on yourself. I live in one little village named Nabayanse, something like that, in Kenya. Far out in Nairobi. Roughly about 8 hours. Or 8 hour drive out of Nairobi. You watch them come like I've been to Kenya already. So I know some more of them places in Africa. I forgot Africa. Kenya and them places then go up the safari. You know? And thing. Yeah, so eat that. So look. The little piece look like from the pot. It is baked bean and saltfish. Ready to go, look there. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. So okay no. Ready to eat now no. Ready to eat. Just a couple of minutes. I'm ready to eat. I don't cook nothing will take too long. I don't cook nothing will have a pressure on it. And I might think that. I none of food I have a pressure 1.5 and 2 hours. I don't eat any kind of food. You get me I say? Anything I eat must easy to cook. Natural food. Stick and stay, not going. I'll share my food now. Yeah. So yes peeps, now I'm gonna share my food. Yeah. Really cool. Yes, before I share the food, I have to do it the traditional way. My grandfather, my grandaunt, not about to do it. So, I do as me grandfather used to do my grandaunt and then I do and show me hot water and hot soup. Show it in a cup first. Yeah. Definitely really ain't eat nothing. Now I make a tea, just get to my pot soup because you know say dumpling night and the yam and the okra. So all the nutrients in this now. All of the nutrients in this. Never forget where I come from. Yeah. You see my grandfather do this, see my mother too. My mother grew with her auntie. And my auntie had the one old woman. My grandaunt, I should say, which is my mother auntie. My grandfather, all of them, even my uncle them, I used to see them do this. And my grandmother, my mother. Yeah, so don't forget me. Pot soup or pot water. So wash up some dumpling now. That's the 3 dumpling. Some okra. Yes. So good. Very good. It's okra good to me. Very good for me. Yeah, saltfish, no. Just say, tomato home cooked meal. Take no time. Me prepare it. I'm see how to prepare it. I'll cook it with love. Check out that. Okay, peeps. See if you see what going on my plate. Look what going on my plate. Look what going on my plate. Look what going in my plate. Tip. So what going on my plate? Look there. Look at that. Some pumpkin dumpling. Hot silver. Tell her. Lovely. Okay, okra, local okra. Food a little bit hot. You can taste the pepper. Don't put pepper seed night. You can taste that, but you can't eat. Not too hot. Okra. My time I look at mom used to make okra juice to me. Never used to like it still and she said, drink it. I'm not getting nothing for kilo. It's good for you. Peeps. No place like the Caribbean. Fresh food. It's not fast food. It's a packed food. Big food. Yeah.
Good going.
Yeah. Oops, really hungry still. Now I'm gonna buy it. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot my cucumber. Look at that. No place like the Caribbean. Fresh food. Fresh food, everything fresh. Just fresh cucumber, local cucumber. Come here, babes. You hold a seat, proper seat, and sit down. And finish the food. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Love what you do what you love, do it to your best ability. One fire, all fire. Peace out.